Welcome back to CarLoomX, the place where speed, design, and future engineering come together. Today is a very special day for hypercar lovers, because the new next-generation 2027 Bugatti Chiron Pur has finally been unveiled, and it takes everything we thought we knew about performance to an entirely new level. This is not just an evolution, this is Bugatti redefining what a modern hypercar should feel like in the coming decade. At first glance, the 2027 Chiron Pur looks instantly recognizable, yet undeniably futuristic. Bugatti has managed to keep the soul of the Chiron alive while sharpening every single detail. The body lines are more aggressive, more sculpted, and far more purposeful. The front fascia is lower and wider, with redesigned air intakes that channel airflow directly toward cooling systems and aerodynamic tunnels. The signature horseshoe grille is still there, but now it is slimmer, more refined, and integrated seamlessly into the body, giving the car a cleaner and more confident presence. Moving along the side profile, the Chiron Pur shows its true character. Bugatti focused heavily on weight reduction and aerodynamic efficiency, and it shows in every curve. The doors are lighter, the side skirts are more pronounced, and the iconic C-line has been reimagined with active aerodynamic elements that adjust automatically at speed. These elements help reduce drag on straights while increasing downforce during high-speed cornering. The wheels are newly designed forged alloys, lighter and stronger than before, wrapped in specially developed performance tires that can handle extreme speeds while maintaining precise grip. At the rear, the 2027 Bugatti Chiron Pur looks absolutely brutal. A full-width LED light bar stretches across the back, giving the car a futuristic signature, especially at night. The rear diffuser is larger and more aggressive, designed to manage airflow exiting the underbody. The quad exhaust system has been redesigned not just for sound, but also for improved exhaust flow and reduced back pressure. Every part of the rear end serves a purpose, blending beauty with brutal engineering. Under the skin, this is where Bugatti truly pushes boundaries. The heart of the 2027 Chiron Pur is an evolved version of the legendary W16 engine, but with significant modernization. Bugatti has refined the internal components, improved thermal efficiency, and integrated advanced hybrid assistance. This next-generation powertrain delivers mind-bending horsepower figures while also improving responsiveness and efficiency. The electric assistance fills any gaps in power delivery, making acceleration instant and relentless from any speed. The numbers are nothing short of astonishing. The 2027 Chiron Pur accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in well under 2 seconds, and the top speed pushes beyond previous limits, once again challenging what is considered physically possible for a road-legal car. But what truly sets this car apart is not just straight-line speed, it is how controlled and composed it feels while doing it. Bugatti engineers focused heavily on chassis balance, suspension tuning, and steering feedback to ensure the driver feels completely connected to the machine. The suspension system has been completely reworked using next-generation adaptive dampers. These dampers analyze road conditions, speed, and driving style in real time, adjusting stiffness instantly for maximum performance or comfort. Whether you are cruising calmly or attacking a racetrack, the Chiron Pur adapts seamlessly. The steering is sharper, more precise, and offers improved feedback, something enthusiasts have been asking for, making the driving experience even more engaging. Step inside the cabin, and the 2027 Bugatti Chiron Pur welcomes you into a world of luxury fused with cutting-edge technology. The interior design is minimal yet incredibly refined. Premium materials like hand-stitched leather, carbon fiber, and brushed aluminum dominate the space. Every surface feels purposeful, and every control is exactly where it should be. Bugatti has reduced clutter, focusing on a driver-centric layout that enhances focus and immersion. The digital displays are beautifully integrated, offering high-resolution graphics and customizable layouts. Drivers can choose between classic analog-inspired views or fully modern performance-focused displays that show real-time data such as power output, torque distribution, and aerodynamic settings. Despite the advanced technology, Bugatti has retained physical controls for key functions, ensuring that the driver can operate the car intuitively without distraction. Comfort has not been overlooked either. The seats are redesigned for improved support during high-speed driving while remaining comfortable enough for longer journeys. Advanced climate control, sound insulation, and adaptive seating adjustments make the Chiron Pur surprisingly usable for a hypercar of this caliber. It is a machine capable of extreme performance, yet refined enough to be enjoyed every day, at least by those fortunate enough to own one. Safety and driver assistance systems have also been upgraded. While Bugatti understands that this car is meant to be driven by skilled enthusiasts, modern assistance features provide an extra layer of confidence. Advanced traction control, stability management, and braking systems work together seamlessly to keep the car stable even under extreme conditions. The braking system itself is a masterpiece, featuring next-generation carbon ceramic brakes that deliver incredible stopping power with exceptional heat resistance. One of the most impressive aspects of the 2027 Bugatti Chiron Pur is how it balances tradition with innovation. Bugatti has always been about pushing limits while respecting its heritage, and this car perfectly reflects that philosophy. The craftsmanship remains unmatched, with each vehicle assembled by hand and tailored to the owner's preferences. Customization options are nearly endless, allowing buyers to create a truly unique machine that reflects their personality and taste. Exclusivity remains a core part of the Bugatti experience. Production of the 2027 Chiron Pur will be extremely limited, ensuring that each car remains a rare and valuable piece of automotive history. Owning one is not just about having a fast car, it is about being part of an elite group that appreciates engineering excellence at the highest level. As the automotive world moves toward electrification and new technologies, the 2027 Bugatti Chiron Pur stands as a powerful statement. It proves that internal combustion, when combined with modern innovation, still has a place at the very top of performance. This car is not about compromise, it is about mastery, precision, and passion. In the end, the 2027 Bugatti Chiron Pur is more than just a hypercar. It is a symbol of what happens when no limits are set and no shortcuts are taken. It represents the future of extreme performance while honoring the legacy that made Bugatti a legend. From its breathtaking design to its groundbreaking engineering, this car is built to inspire, amaze, and dominate. Thank you for watching CarLoomX. If you enjoyed this deep look into the new next-generation 2027 Bugatti Chiron Pur, make sure to stay tuned for more future car reveals, performance breakdowns, and automotive stories that fuel your passion for speed and innovation.